Hurry, you don't want to miss this house. I'm at the Hamlet at Chapman Chase at 17 Chapman Chase in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. Everybody loves this location. This house has never been sold before. It was built in 2017 and it is just like new in perfect condition. Come on in and take a look around. You don't want to miss this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, gorgeous Cape Colonial style home. It's got the Craftsman style throughout. You have raised panel, glazed cabinetry with crown molding, soft closed hinges and full extension drawers, beautiful breakfast bar center island. You have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful hardwood floors throughout the whole first floor. They even added a sunroom on the back. Gorgeous sunroom. This unit is a walkout unit. It backs to woods, so it's a very, very private location. It has gas heat, central air, no fees, no age restriction. They take care of all the lawn, all the snow removal, your driveway, the road maintenance. It is the place to be. It has an oversized 2-car garage with automatic garage door openers. Over here, he's using this as a piano room. It also could be used as a dining room. If you wanted to have a formal dining room, you could use it as that. Nice big living room with a gas fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors up on the landing and all throughout the first floor. It has a humongous master bedroom. It is just ginormous. It is beautiful. It has a large separate bathroom with walk-in closets. There's plenty of room in that walk-in closet and large bathroom. There's 2 other additional bedrooms. And the special feature is a second floor laundry, and the laundry is included. Some other special features are the bathrooms have special cabinetry with soft closed hinges and full extension drawers as well, and granite countertops. Everything is just like new. If you're looking for a new construction home without the wait, this is the home for you. So if you'd like to see this beautiful home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. You don't want to miss this one. It is just like new and you're not going to find any other home like this one.